take is this quant was easier than the last couple of years for sure. Main reason being, like you pointed out, the 10 questions of arithmetic. I think out of those 10, 8 were absolute sitters, and geometry just should have been left alone. I looked at geometry and left it. I didn't even try solving anything. I always do that. So for me, there was no change in pattern. बस देखना था, छोड़ना था. I found a couple of questions of algebra very straightforward as well. For example, वो sum of roots क्या होगा, -2/3 direct आ रहा था, log वाला 31 direct आ रहा था. Those 2-3 questions were very, very simple in algebra. Numbers के एक दो questions आ गए, I think extra, which students might not have expected. For example, the remainder one was straightforward. Question 4. Numbers का 4 वाला answer, remainders वाला should have been absolutely a sitter. 10 to the power 1000/7. That will take no time. Answer 4. फिर numbers का एक और आ गया वो k वाला 1/8 to the power k वाला. That would have taken a little bit of time to understand 32,768 is 2 power -15 or 2 power 15. वो अगर स्ट्राइक कर गया किसी को उसमें टाइम लगता, नहीं तो वो क्वेश्चन भी इजी था. नंबर्स का एक और क्वेश्चन था कि देयर आर 4 people, I think, या 4 heights है कुछ भी. Average of first 2 is 1 more than the other. Average of first 3 is 2 more than the average of the first 2. That was very straightforward. 16 minus 1 15 आएगा उसका. तो अगर मैं उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देख रहा हूं, the way I look at it, I think last year के कंपैरिजन में अगर sitters ढूंढने जाएंगे, the number of sitters will be at least 3 to 4 more than last year. The problem is going to be, if people don't go searching for sitters, they go searching for topics. They say मैं ज्योमेट्री में अच्छा हूं तो ज्योमेट्री ही करूंगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगी. मैं अलजेब्रा में अच्छा हूं तो अलजेब्रा ही करूंगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगी. 2-3 क्वेश्चन अलजेब्रा में आप फंसोगे. If you go searching for sitters, that's how I looked at this entire paper. I just went next. Attempted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 को next. 6, 7, 8, next. 10, 11, 12, next. I saw all 22. And I did next at least 4 times, where I did next to 2 questions back to back. So my personal take in terms of sitters, this is an easier paper as compared to both last 2 years. And I will not be surprised if a 99 actually moves up to a 33 or a 35. Having said that, I will add a word of caution. Don't take me for granted here, which is, if people think कि मैं geometry निकालूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, then it might actually go down and the cutoff won't be a 25 or a 26.99 last year जैसे, but it could be late 20s, like a 28 to 30. But if people are smart enough, this could actually move to 30 to 33. I would like to hear from Ravi, Gaurav and
ये typical वो वाला पेपर है जो हम बोलते हैं कि if you have to move on and you could maximize. So maximization वाले perspective to move on किया होता, what you are saying, right, that would have worked. That's the only thing. जो लोग stuck हो जाते हैं, they would have found it very difficult because it was an easy one. Next question easy होता.
GB, I think, Sajil, I think let's discuss the questions. I have started writing. The first question I have written, time, speed, distance, answer.
Just one thing before that, Ravi. Just one thing before that, Ravi. Prasan कुछ बोलना चाहता है. Prasan, you are on mute. If you can unmute yourself and state. I think you wanted to state something.
Right. So I'm just kind of comparing my last year's first slot attempt with this year. I think last year 10 questions were doable. Moving above 12 was difficult. This year I thought 12 were doable. Going above 14, 15 would be difficult. Very difficult. So my sense is 2 questions का तो फर्क पड़ेगा from last year to this year. Slot by slot जा रहा हूँ मैं. Of course, you'll have to look at slot 3 and slot 2 also. But my sense is that slot 1 last year to slot year, I think this was a little easier.
And last year,
even though there are 11-12 questions which are doable, GB, the point is वो 11-12 ढूंढते आना चाहिए पेपर में. So at the 99th percentile also, I don't expect कि उतना बढ़ जाए, 4-5 मार्क्स बढ़ जाएगा.
Which is 99 percentile में you are talking only about the creme de la creme. 99 का मतलब ही वो होता है. Which is why I'm saying I will not be surprised अगर you turn around and say a 90 percentile instead of 15-16 becomes a 17-18, खाली 1-2 mark. But I think a 99 might go up by 5-6 marks.
करेक्ट. जो भी डिफरेंस होगा वो टॉप एंड नहीं होगा. बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस देयर इज अ टॉप एंड ओनली. द बॉटम एंड अप टू 85 85th percentile also, I guess they will be very close to what we saw in 2023 because the questions of geometry did not let me breathe. मतलब घटिया सवाल.
Ravi, last year we had 99 at 24 marks, 8 questions only.
Correct.
Right. So this year I think 10 will not be an issue. 10 तो आराम से जा रहा है, क्योंकि इफ आई थिंक जीबी विल एग्री विद मी कि पेपर में कम से कम 7 से 8 क्वेश्चन ऐसा था जो पट से हो गया, और 4 से 5 क्वेश्चन ऐसा था जो होना ही नहीं। मतलब आप देखो, आप स्ट्रगल करोगे तो आपका पेपर खराब हो जाएगा। सो बेसिकली 7 से 8 क्वेश्चन सीधे सीधे कर देना विल नॉट बी अ प्रॉब्लम। सो 99 तो मतलब बेसिकली जो करने वाला बच्चा है वो 20 मिनट में 8 क्वेश्चन कर लेगा, अगर जो स्किप करने वाला बंदा। उसके बाद अगले 20 मिनट में वो 3 से 4 तो ट्राई करेगा ही करेगा। So getting 99 at 30, I think that would be that should not be very high value. And as I also agree with Prasam के अगर 33, 32 भी जाएगा, then we shouldn't be surprised about it.
So yeah, let's discussing the questions. एक बार let us run through the paper.
Yeah, Ravi.
Let's
Ravi,
run through the paper and then figure out कि कितने actual sitters थे और कितने जुगाड़ से हो जाने थे और what.
Sure.
अभी सेलिंग प्राइस वाला डिस्कशन चल रहा है, तो उसका आंसर बता ही दो। 14 ही है।
14 है सेलिंग प्राइस। सेलिंग प्राइस इज 14।
ये ऑप्शन से कर लेना था यार,
ऑप्शन से करना था एब्सोल्युटली।
मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस 10, सेलिंग प्राइस 14 करके चलना था, उससे आंसर आ रहा था।
रवि,
ऑप्शन से लो, कॉस्ट प्राइस को अज्यूम करो।
ऑप्शंस नहीं थे, दिस वाज अ थीटा, नो? सेलिंग प्राइस 14 वाज अ थीटा।
नहीं ऑप्शंस थे।
20 था, 14 था,
10, 14, 20, 24।
करेक्ट।
10, 14, 20, 24 ऑप्शंस थे।
या तो सेलिंग प्राइस
There was a question जिसका आंसर 217 था क्या? 217 तो ये क्वेश्चन आया थीटा वाला।
यस हाँ, एक क्वेश्चन है 217 जिसमें ये था कि if an represents
A1 to A50 का सम,
integer function of root n,
yes,
then what is the
217
sum of
स्क्वायर रूट से बड़ा
A1, A2, so to A50?
50,
Correct?
Yeah.
Then the answer to this is 217.
217,
217 217 217।
Correct.
ऐसे अपने क्लास वर्कशीट में भी एक क्वेश्चन है ना?
हाँ, ग्रेटेस्ट लिनियर फंक्शन की शीट।
हाँ,
बट वो फर्क है शिवको उसमें कि क्लास शीट में हमने सीधा दे दिया था रूट n करके कर लो, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल रूट n's, GIF ऑफ ऑल रूट n। इसमें थोड़ा सा उसमें घुमा के दिया, इट मेड द सेम सेंस, नथिंग एल्स।
and there was time and work, कुछ रीता एंड सीमा, कुछ रीता सीमा ऐसा कुछ था,
रेनू एंड सीमा।
हाँ whatever।
अच्छा रवि, listen to me, I am dictating all the questions, I have written down all the questions।
ठीक है, 6 days 6 days आता
6
है
days,
आंसर?
correct, 6 days।
6 days आता है। हाँ, 187 fruits, apple, mango, oranges, initial ratio of apple and mangoes is 5:2। you sold 75 apples, 26 mangoes and
66
half
आएगा।
oranges।
66 आएगा, 187 fruits वाला।
apple, mango,
66
oranges, initial ratio of
Oranges.
apples and mangoes is 5:2।
then you sold 75 apples, 26
You sold
mangoes।
75 of
guys,
this,
don't need to
26
solve it
of this,
completely,
oranges
इसका आंसर पे आए थे, आंसर 66 आए थे।
and half oranges।
हाँ, and half oranges। So
How many left
नहीं,
unsold was the question?
इसमें मेरे 50 है।
How many left unsold was the question? Answer
5x
66
minus
होगा।
5x minus 75 divided by y is equal to 3/2, or 7x plus 2y equal to 187. You had all these two equations to get to the answer. कितना आ रहा है?
66 आएगा, I think 66 आया था मेरा।
मेरा 50 है।
तो कर दे क्या सॉल्व?
30, 16 and 20।
ठीक है,
30, 16 and 20 जो बचता है।
कर
देते हैं सॉल्व इसको।
15x minus
I think
150
students are also saying 66। कुशल का 66 आया है,
minus 3y
अनीश का
equal to
66 आया है,
and 7x plus 2y equal to 187. Can someone help me solve this?
Yeah, Michael
Ganda
and
equation.
66 ही है यार रवि। I think there are some 7-8 students in the chat box, everybody saying 66।
हाँ तो फिर 66 ही होगा,
66
सबका
ही
आ
है।
रहा है तो।
ठीक है,
Answer
Yeah,
is 66.
ठीक है।
Yep, same, even I got 66।
Next question is income of Kamal, Amal, Vimal are in the ratio of 8:6:5.
865
865 and their rank
है।
is 15%, 12%, 18%.
Yeah, but answer
इसके बाद
क्वेश्चन और आंसर बता दो बस डिस्कशन
हाँ हाँ
13
तो
the
the
answer to this
The
question
answer
13.26%,
13.26
इसका आंसर कितना था?
I think.
perfect.
13.26%.
13.26 is correct.
हाँ,
सीधा
वो वाला
कैलकुलेटर लेके करना था.
Guys,
Move to the-
let's just stick to the question का stem and the answer. That's
हाँ,
it. Solve करने की
बस,
जरूरत
हाँ,
नहीं है.
बस.
Coordinate geometry, y is greater equal than x plus 4
Answer was 2 pi.
and minus 4 x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y less than equal to 0. Answer was
2 pi.
2 pi.
There were two concentric circles. एक का radius 2 था, एक का radius 2√2 था, and a straight line.
2 pi is the
So-
answer. I don't know how, but
half of the
because Gaurav sir
This
is
is an
saying
example
2
of a question I learned. I felt you shouldn't spend time to solve this.
pi. Normally my eyes light up when I see area under the graph. But मैं area under the graph देखा और वहां पे
Same.
मेरे को मॉड्यूलस नहीं देखा तो मैं एकदम ही उदास
Square.
हो गया।
मैंने एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ देखा और मैंने होल स्क्वायर देखा. मैंने कहा ठीक है, मेरे से सर्कल बनवाएगा, नहीं करना.
अच्छा अरिथमेटिक में का और कौन कौन थे?
Arithmetic में
अभी
there was
10
Simple
power
interest.
100 divided by 7. Remainder क्या होगा?
अच्छा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वाले का आंसर क्या है? 5 years, 6 years, something like that.
6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
6
6
years.
years. वो सेकंड 6% पे 5 years के लिए डाला था, तो 5% पे 6 year के लिए डाला होगा.
6 year के लिए डालेगा, नहीं तो 10:13 नहीं आ सकता. 13 लाने के लिए तुमको 5 into 6 30% करना था.
करेक्ट. वो रिप्लेसमेंट वाला कर दे रवि. 1:80 is the answer, guys.
It is
डिस्कशन
basically
सॉल्यूशंस के क्या थे?
Milk,
1 by
milk is
whole
to
power.
water पूछा था, milk is to total नहीं पूछा था.
मिल्क इज टू
और-
वाटर क्वेश्चन था. मिल्क इज टू टोटल नहीं था.
Total
So
नहीं
the sum had to be 81. A plus B. मतलब that's
This
how
is
I
milk
solved
is
it.
to
Sum will be a multiple of 3 power 4.
और सर 1/3 power 4 जैसे रवि सर ने लिखा है तो
बस वही. I just looked at the options.
Yeah.
उससे ही कर दिया था.
And
Milk is to water.
log वाले का सर I got
31. Log वाला 31. I think the log answer was 31.
यहाँ कुछ 4 था, यहाँ कुछ 4 था और अगला कुछ 8 था, ऐसा कुछ था. The answer to that is 31, right?
Yeah. At least I got 31. I hope everybody got 31. Because ये जो second वाला है 4 log x base 100 वो 2 log x base 10 हो जाता है. And the third one will become 8 by 3.
Greatest integer function of x पूछा
Yeah.
था क्वेश्चन में, correct?
Correct.
Largest
So
number
अगर
less than or
देखोगे-
equal to x.
हाँ, वो जो second term है that will become 2 log x base 10 and वो जो third term है that will become 8 by 3 log x base 10. So 4 plus 2 plus 8 by 3 करना होगा basically. 6 plus 8 by 3.
Correct.
So 31 आता है log वाला.
Correct.
So guys are asking 31 for which question? 31 is the log question, guys. Okay.
This one, the question that looked like this exactly.
Yeah.
There was
3
this
by 2
question-
आ जाएगा. Correct. So 10.
There was this
10 to the
question
power of
in
3 by
जिसमें
2.
yeah, there was this question in which there was a rectangle जिसमें ये this was 56, this was 45,
Yes.
and you had to find the
In
in
circle.
radius of this
In
triangle.
radius.
In radius of this
Correct.
triangle. So this comes out to be 28. This is 45. This is 28. This comes out to be 53. The answer is 73 minus 53 divided by 2, which is 10.
Priyanshu 217 is correct. Kushal, yes, 10 by 3 by 2. So उससे 31 आता है.
Average वाला जो question था, the answer is 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15.
15. Yes. Numbers वाला.
Right? फिर there was this question on remainders.
Years के ऊपर भी कोई question था ना, कोई years वाला.
Remainder हमने उठाया नहीं ना अभी. 10 power 100
हाँ, remainder will be 4.
divided by 7.
1000.
Yeah. 1000 divided by 7. नहीं 100 ही था.
Answer 4.
100 था 100 था।
Remainder is 4.
100 था
ये
क्या?
तो साइक्लिसिटी डिविजिबिलिटी
अच्छा।
की साइक्लिसिटी से निकल जाता है ना।
हाँ.
या
एक और नंबर्स का बोला था ना जीबी?
There was one question on
कॉमन रूट पे
mensuration.
एक क्वेश्चन था,
हाँ?
कोई कॉमन रूट,
इसका क्या आंसर
वो
है?
2m plus 3n। हाँ ये भी मैंने किया है, रुक, नहीं ये वाला मैंने
What
नहीं
is
किया।
the answer to this question?
ज्योमेट्री
Shashank sir?
मेंसुरेशन, सी द क्वेश्चन, लीव द क्वेश्चन।
ये था क्वेश्चन।
आई डिडंट डू
इसके
दिस।
4 ये ऑप्शन थे, तो मेरे को लगा √2 तो होना चाहिए, और 1025 के आसपास आता है, तो 750 √2 ज्यादा वैलिड लग रहा है, तो आई जस्ट
आई डिडंट सॉल्व दिस वन।
दिलेरी से। अच्छा, शशांक ड्रॉप्ड क्या? ऑल क्वेश्चंस वर देयर विद हिम।
हाँ ही ड्रॉप,
हाँ
आई थिंक उनका नेट। एपी वाला एक था, एपी का -194 आएगा, एपी वाला x1 x2 x3 से लेके जाना था, -194 आंसर आया था।
x1 = 4, x5 = -4
एंड
है,
कॉमन डिफरेंस आया था
हाँ,
-2, 4 था,
-1
कॉमन डिफरेंस -2 था, -194 आएगा।
-194 करेक्ट।
फिर
अच्छा,
एक
वो
वो
K
वाला
वाला।
था कि सम ऑफ रूट्स निकालना था,
यहाँ पे बहुत
सम
है।
ऑफ रूट्स निकालना था, -2/3 आएगा।
-2/3.
-2/3
सम ऑफ
इसमें
रूट्स
ये
भी
था ना,
-2/3।
1/8 to the power
हाँ
1/3
yes दिस
1/k.
वाज द अदर नंबर्स क्वेश्चन।
1/32,768 raised to the power 1/3.
-2/3 आएगा।
Yes.
This
DLR
is K,
number
I
of
think.
rounds were 8. Madhu Anthal.
एक प्रॉफिट लॉस
It was
क्वेश्चन
8.
था।
Answer of log question was 31, Gopika.
31.
Would you agree, Shashank?
एक-
Gaurav, 31 आया था
हाँ
log का?
31.
एक प्रॉफिट
yeah.
लॉस का क्वेश्चन था जहाँ
10 raised to the power 3/2 था उसका.
हाँ एक प्रॉफिट
वही ना, log वाला।
हाँ लॉग वाले का 31 था। एक
Correct.
प्रॉफिट लॉस का क्वेश्चन था जहाँ कॉस्ट प्राइस है 40% प्राइस बढ़ा दिया,
वो हो गया डिस्कस.
वो
वो हो
गया।
गया।
14
उसका
वो
answer
हो गया
14.
स्टार्टिंग में 14।
ठीक है
14.
और एक वो क्वेश्चन था,
वो 2m plus 3n ऐसा कुछ था ना, वन नेगेटिव कॉमन रूट है।
हाँ वो नहीं किया मैंने।
There was one
मैंने भी नहीं
question of
किया।
progressions का क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ
उसका
प्रोग्रेशन हो
194
गया, -194।
हाँ।
Yes, -194. Functions का एक क्वेश्चन था. There was a set A जहाँ पे 6 elements थे, set B में 3 elements थे.
ओ यस, फंक्शंस वाला।
हाँ. So
क्या
for
था,
every
537 ऐसा कुछ था।
हाँ
537 I got.
So for every element in B, there exists at least one element in A. So how many total functions were there?
There were 6
I got
elements in A.
537.
There were 6 elements
Yes.
in A and 3 elements in B.
Yes, 1, 8, and 27.
तो I got वो
एक किसी का तुक्के में सही हो गया।
करेक्ट, 500। एक ये वाला भी था, a plus b plus n, वो रूट n वाला कुछ एक था ना, 29
हाँ।
minus 12 root 15 is equal to a
Positive
squared
root
plus b squared n plus 2ab root
वो
10।
positive square root वाला.
हाँ, तो इसमें a plus b plus n की वैल्यू निकालनी थी कि क्या होगा इसका आंसर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इसका आंसर वाज 6
6
n की वैल्यू 5 आती है, a plus b कैन बी 1,
Four,
मैक्सिमम
four.
वैल्यू 6 आ रही थी।
4 आता है।
नहीं
4.
6 आएगी if you take
That is
b as -2,
2.
just one sec, if you take b as -2, a as 3 and n as 5, even that will satisfy.
नहीं, but then it will be a negative root. The question was
No.
asking for a positive root.
Negative root. Just
See,
positive
if you
root.
take
Positive root
3
दिया
minus 2 root 5 GB, 3 minus 2 root 5 is bound to be negative. The question was asking positive root uska will be 2 root 5 minus 3. By the way, I think I will most probably challenge this question. 29 minus 12 root 5 positive
I don't
है क्या?
remember.
हो सके, हाँ,
मेरे
positive है,
को ये याद नहीं आ, ये मेरे को ये नेगेटिव रूट तो याद आ रहा है, बट
नहीं positive root
4
नहीं
कैसे, I
किया
still didn't
Positive
understand.
square root.
The question says
It is going to
positive
be
root.
minus
So
2
A
plus
becomes 2, B becomes -3, and N becomes 5. So 2 minus 3 plus 5, 4 is the answer. Because 3 minus 2 root
एक
5
second.
लेने से
One second.
3 minus 2 root 5 is negative.
Ravi, you are saying the question said positive root ki negative root?
The
Positive
question said
root.
positive square root of this.
Yes.
With
Gautam,
a
the
plus
first
zero.
word was the positive square root of the number.
And it is going to be -3 plus 2 root 5.
Okay. एक क्वेश्चन था PNC का sum of all the 4-digit numbers, repetition not allowed.
-3 plus 2 root 5. Okay. I don't remember this, so I can't state. मेरे को positive negative तो याद नहीं आ रहा.
Sum of all 4-digit numbers. It was 15,000. No, 1,53,310
Plus n.
plus n. So simple था इसका 31 answer, 23 plus 8. So a plus b plus c plus d का value 23 आ जाएगा and n will be 8. So 31 was the answer. Then geometry का discuss कर लिया आपने. Rectangle was there midpoint of one side.
Yeah. Rectangle वाला कर लिया इसका आंसर.
Then square
left.
there was a
Rectangular
box.
गौरव सर ये mensuration
अच्छा, वो
वाले
cuboid.
क्वेश्चन का क्या था आंसर? These were the 4 options.
Cuboid का एक question था.
So I'll tell you how this to be done. So I'll check if I have it in the values. Just give me a second.
826 was
Guys, if
I have done this.
if you want us to go ahead and solve more questions, please go ahead and like the video. Our team behind the scenes is working very hard. Give them a little love. Give them a little thing.
So surface area was 846 and sum of the edges was 144. So length, breadth plus height LBH का sum आ जाएगा 36. So we'll apply a plus b plus c whole square का formula and using that you'll find out the body diagonal of the cuboid.
हाँ आंसर बता दीजिए सर.
हाँ आंसर आपके ऑप्शंस आई बिलीव 1125 होना चाहिए. 1025 pi root 2. हाँ, so I think this was the answer. 1125 pi root 2.
Last one.
Yeah. Yes.
This is done. Okay, done.
And
So
what
we are
else?
missing out on 2 questions.
So I'll tell you क्या क्या questions है मेरे पास और.
There was one question that said this: 4 times
No,
of x square plus y square plus z square equal to a.
3 kg more than half. हाँ, एक ये
X
question
minus
था.
y minus z equal to a plus 3. Find a.
Yes. A plus 3 sir. अच्छा 3
हाँ,
लिखा है.
a plus 3. Find a. That was
एक
the
था सर
question.
3 kgs more than half.
उसके पास जो brains है उसको आधा
पहला
देते हैं और 3
हाँ,
बंदा
हाँ.
you give them half
हाँ,
plus
that's
3
the
kg, second को half plus 3 kg, third को half. 42 will be the answer.
42.
42.
हाँ, वो वाला.
Options.
3
Yeah.
kg. The question stem was half
Half plus
3
3
kg more.
Plus 3
Half
kg.
equal to 3.
Yeah.
3 consecutive people.
Yes.
So 42
was the answer.
Yeah, the answer was 42. Correct.
So basically, we've actually gone ahead and done
equal to
all
how
22.
This one?
21 का आंसर क्या था गौरव? वो a equal to
21. नहीं ये मैंने नहीं
ये
किया
मैंने भी
sir.
नहीं
We'll check. रुकिए.
okay. So this
The
is the
options
only
were-
question I think which
I think the options were 1 by 3, 1.
1 by 3, 4
And
and
4.
3. 4 and 3.
2 नहीं.
Acha.
2 नहीं.
Yeah, these were the options. Iska answer we have to figure out. I think every other question we have answered. Just let us just check the answers once more. Time, speed, and distance. A and B. Answer is 12.
Yes.
12 kilometers per hour. Selling price of the item 40% कम होने से selling price was 14.
Absolutely.
14.
n represents the greatest integer function of the square root of n. Sum of all numbers from 1 to 150 is 217.
217. Correct.
Renu and Seema time and work question. Seema works for 6 days.
Yes.
Correct. 187 fruits, apples, mangoes, oranges. 66 fruits are remaining.
66. Yeah.
income of 3 people are 800, 600, 500, 13.26% आता है rent contribution after the increase. Area under the graph 2 pi is the answer.
Yes.
Simple interest 5% at 6 years is the answer.
Yes.
Correct.
ये mixtures वाला question, milk is to water finally is 1:80.
Yes.
Correct.
Log वाला question, box of x is 31.
31.
In radius is 10.
10.
Average वाला question, 1, 3, 8 and 16 are the numbers. 15 will be the
16.
answer.
Yes.
Correct.
Remainder 10 power 100 divided by 7 was one question, 4.
4.
Correct.
This is 1125 root 2 pi.
Yes.
Then arithmetic progression था जिसमें 2x6 plus 2x9 equal to something was given. The answer to that is minus 124.
Minus 2 was the.
Correct.
Minus 2 was the common difference.
First term
First
4,
term is
common difference -2. Correct.
Minus 2.
correct. Right. Then we had this 1/8, 1/4, 1/2768 wala question. The answer to that is 2 by minus 2 by.
Minus 2 by.
Correct.
No, ये वाला question रह गया अपना sir. X square plus mx plus 9, x square plus nx plus 17, and x square plus m plus nx 35 have a total common. What is the value of 2m plus 3? This is the question.
Sure about this.
टू एम प्लस 3n वाला एक क्वेश्चन रह गया आपने.
इसका 537 है और उसका 4 है. हाँ.
This is
Next one,
537. This is 4.
Yeah.
This was a theta also.
पर मेरे को एकदम नहीं याद आ रहा.
2 into 10 plus 3 into 69.
एकदम याद नहीं आ रहा.
कौन सा? अच्छा 2 into 10 plus
Plus 3 into 16 वो नेगेटिव वाला आ जाएगा ना.
3 into 16.
हाँ
48, 58, 68 is the answer.
है क्या इसे कोई 68 था आंसर.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
कितना
सर.
पाएगा?
पेपर में नहीं किया.
मैं बेसिकली उसको मैं इसको बेसिकली x plus 1 into x plus 9 कर लिया, उसको x plus 1 into x plus 17 कर लिया. अच्छा 17 होनी चाहिए, सॉरी 3 into
हाँ.
17 होनी चाहिए.
3 into 17. अच्छा लेकिन ये m plus n equal 35 तो आना चाहिए.
अच्छा वो भी है. सॉरी
वो भी है.
मिस्टेक.
या
इसको देखना पड़ेगा. I think this one we've not solved during the exam. We have to solve it once.
No. All of us have collectively left this question, though we remember the question very clearly. No, a plus b, a, b, c, d are non-zero digits. Find the value of a plus b, b plus c plus d plus n. The answer is 30. This one we have to still.
I think collectively we also left question number 21.
Yeah. I mean, I made a delayed attempt of marking the answer as 1/3. I thought, why will there be a one option in mixed fraction if that is not the answer?
Odd one out.
But I have no theory backing it. Matlab no logic backing my answer. So just a random. Yes.
And question number 22 answer is 42.
42. So out of all of these questions, na sir, there is this question. This question number 22. Definitely doable. Number 1. 42 जिसका आंसर आता है.
Yes.
So, which everyone should have done. वो वाले questions बोल रहा हूँ मैं. There is nothing on this screen that is everyone should have done वाला question.
Agreed.
Right? Coming to this screen, I think people could have solved this one if चमक गया 32768. So yeah, this is number 2.
1024 अगर पता है तो
Keep adding.
Yeah.
Keep adding.
This is
Keep
number.
adding number of questions. Starting से शुरू कर and keep adding so that we understand number of questions जिसमें.
Yeah. That's what I have.
That's
one.
Yeah, जी भी मैं ending से आ रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे मैंने 1 लिख लिया है. Here I have written 2. Here I have written 3. This everyone should have done. Remainder.
Four.
Yeah.
ये average वाला everyone should have done.
Averages हो जाना चाहिए था.
Logarithms.
Log maybe everybody will. Log
Possibly.
greatest integer function है.
लॉग देख के भाग जाते हैं जीवी.
Correct.
Yeah,
That's what I'm
Lots of नहीं
saying.
करेंगे.
10 to the power of 3/2 3/2.
ये सब नहीं करेंगे.
let's not
This one
count it.
in radius, geometry,
Nah.
in radius, nah. Okay.
No.
Yeah, this everyone should have done.
Yes.
1:80 everybody should do, but a lot of students have marked 1:81. A lot.
Simple interest, this everyone should have done.
Yes, doable.
Income wala question,
Yes.
use a calculator, but everyone should have done.
Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Coming to
Veena
time,
and-
speed and distance, 12 wala, this everyone should have done.
ये
Yes.
डाइसी है. इसमें
हाँ.
अगर ऑप्शन यूज नहीं किया ना रवि क्वेश्चन
तो
नंबर
लेंदी हो जाएगा.
तो बहुत लेंदी है ये.
Okay, okay, I'll not mark that. This selling price 14.
ये तो बहुत
Yes,
आसान है. बहुत
doable.
आसान.
This is the ninth one, right? Yeah, time and work. What is your view on this? Time and work. It was
Very easy, very
Yeah,
doable.
according to me, the time and work करना चाहिए था. This was easier
Yeah.
than the
Yeah.
time speed distance.
so. That's what exactly, GB. There
और ये
is
fruits
10
वाला भी
questions
easy
in this
था यार.
paper. 10 questions in this
नहीं,
paper.
fruits भी easy है.
Everyone.
Ravi,
GB, there are
fruits
10
are
questions
I
in this paper.
won't- And
There are
you know,
10 questions in this paper that everyone should have done.
question. I got it wrong. I have done exactly
अच्छा,
same
अब
thing that
रवि
you
इसको
have done.
इस वे से देखते हैं, ठीक है?
हम्म।
रवि एक बार ये questions that we've identified, let's count them. कितने हुए?
10 है.
10.
Time speed छोड़ दो, तो ये 2 हुए. Next में
Time speed distance छोड़ दिया मैंने. यहाँ लिख लिया है ना, numbers मैंने लिख दिया है. This
हाँ.
is the 10th in my list.
अच्छा लिख दिया. So 10. I am saying these 10 guaranteed everybody should have done. Now look at those which few would have done. Question number 1, few of them, the 99 अगर हम बोले एकदम high level, the creme डाला creme. They should have done question 1. They would have probably done question 3.
Yes.
They would have probably done question 3. They would have probably
Yes.
done question 5 as well. 13 पे
Yes.
आ गए हैं. अब ये जो होगा ना, इसका हम लोग एक particular accuracy लेंगे. First 10 they should have done. Then यहाँ पे 3 और हो गए हैं. एरिया वाला शायद छोड़ देता. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये शायद छोड़ देता.
11
लॉग
कर
गारंटी
देता.
करता ये वाला.
लॉक कर
In radius
देता.
11 भी करता.
इन दोनों में से एक तो हो ही
5
जाता.
हो गए. और अभी के लिए दोनों लेते हैं. एक्यूरेसी कम कर देंगे बाद में. अभी देते
Okay.
अटेम्प्टेबल. 5 हो गए. आगे चलते हैं.
15 हो गया.
ये तो हटा दो.
ये नहीं होगा.
Surface
आगे चलते हैं.
area हटा दो. हाँ, ठीक है, difficult है.
ये
Function हटा दो.
इस पेज में only 19.
18-19 में से एक हो जाता. 18-19 में से एक हो जाता.
I'll go with 19 क्योंकि functions वाला मेरे को नहीं चमका जीबी. Honestly बता रहा हूँ नहीं चमका.
हाँ.
ये पता है. अच्छा,
That
a
is
question like this came in JEE 2024. Very similar question, but slightly more complicated.
Oh.
मेरे बेटे का slot में आया था ये.
Oh.
See how
20
I
question
did
20.
18. I did 18 with
इसमें सब हटा दो.
I did 18 with it has to be a multiple of 3, Ravi. Previous question 18
हाँ.
has to be a multiple of 3. दो ही ऑप्शन थे 537 540. 540 के लिए 80 चाहिए 80 नहीं होगा -1 का ही आ रहा होगा इसलिए 537.
Correct.
आई एम सेइंग खाली डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 3 पे भी जाते हैं तो दो ही ऑप्शन पे आते हैं. सो चलो 6 क्वेश्चन हो गए. Probably
Enough.
none of these. Probably none of these.
None of
Probably
these.
none
So,
of these.
6 more.
But I'm saying so 10 plus 6. That's what I was trying to get to. Last year हम अगर निकालते कि कितने कर सकते थे वो भी 13-14 से ज्यादा नहीं जाता. इस year that is going to 16 for sure. That's where I see a difference of 2 questions.
So let us say you are operating at a 90% accuracy here in this 10 guaranteed student or 80 8 out of 10 correct.
Yeah, let's say 80 here and about 70 there.
No,
80 here and 4 out of 6 here. Right?
GB, what was last year's 90 percentile?
In those 6 questions.
अच्छा, just go to
Last
the
year
next
90%
slide.
was at 24-25. Last
Neha,
year
वो वाला
90% was only
slides.
24-25.
Go
Here,
in,
if we
just
have
go
a
to
look
the
at
slide.
it, we are basically turning around and stating 12 right and let's say 4 wrong, so 32. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, ये 24 से now we are suddenly jumping to a 33-34
Yeah, my take
But
is
that
or
on
maybe a
30.
30-32, which is
That will happen at a 99.5
30-32,
is what my prediction is.
अच्छा,